John here, Cantor Brokerage. Welcome to 6046 La Jolla Hermosa in La Jolla, California. I will be here this Saturday from 1 to 4, and hopefully you will too. The home, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, just under 3,000 square feet on an 8,300 plus square foot lot. It's got a large front and rear yard, and they're both private and secluded. Come on down, check out this house, fully renovated. You will not be disappointed. Check out the lemon tree in the backyard. Maybe we'll make some lemonade, and then maybe we'll buy a house. It's only $1,895,000, only a couple blocks away from the ocean, Bird Rock, the village, perfectly located. Come on down, check this place out. I hope to see you here from 1 to 4 this Saturday. 6046 La Jolla Hermosa, La Jolla, California. Priced at only $1,895,000. Don't forget it comes with some free lemons. I can't juggle lemons. This is ridiculous. Anyways, see you Saturday, 1 to 4. I'm out.